Takeout used to feel like the most convenient option after coming home from a long day of work. But the costs and health impacts soon started to catch up to me, and I knew that I needed to make a change. Over the past few months, I've started layering in a few small habits to make cooking at home easier and curb my takeout cravings. These habits have allowed me to save money without compromising on flavor or convenience. The best part is that cooking at home is now easier and even faster than ordering takeout. The first step for me was figuring out why I kept ordering takeout even when I had groceries at home. Two problems kept coming up repeatedly. One is that nothing sounded good except takeout. Even with ingredients in the fridge, nothing felt appealing. The only thing I actually wanted was my usual takeout order. This often led to me opting to pick up food on the way home from work instead of even attempting to make anything with the groceries I already had. The second was low energy after work. After a long day, I was hungry and wanted something flavorful and indulgent, but cooking and cleaning felt exhausting. That's when takeout felt like the path of least resistance. Once I understood these recurring problems, I started to build small habits that actually made cooking at home much easier. Habit number 1, recreate the takeout you crave. One of the biggest shifts for me was committing to learning how to make my favorite takeout meals at home. I'm a huge fan of Asian cuisines, fried rice, stir fries, curries, pho, you name it. So I started researching and practicing how to make those dishes at home. It does take a bit of time and trial and error, but you'd be surprised at how close you can get to a restaurant-level meal just by learning a few techniques. Using store-bought sauces also makes it much easier. Learning how to cook my favorite dishes has also been empowering and sort of taken the feeling of ordering takeout off of its pedestal. Now, when I do go out to eat, I can treat it more like an experience with friends or family and truly enjoy the food instead of feeling guilty about it. Habit number 2, use cooking blogs like menus. When I feel uninspired and tired of the takeout copycat, I scroll through my favorite cooking blogs or flip through some cookbooks. This gives me the same feeling of excitement as looking at a restaurant menu and tricks my brain into thinking I'm ordering a special meal. Seeing pictures of dishes, reading through recipes, and imagining what I'd get to eat gets me excited about cooking again. It also gives me something to look forward to throughout the week and makes me feel more committed to cooking at home. Habit number 3, keep a list of your favorite meals. I've started keeping a spreadsheet of all of our favorite meals. This includes comfort meals, takeout copycats, and quick, no recipe required types of meals. On days when nothing sounds good, I just scroll through this list and almost always find something that fits my mood. This is a great way to remind yourself of what dishes you have liked in the past, and since you're already familiar with the dishes, it makes it easier to choose what to have on a particular night. Habit number 4, have low effort, no recipe required meals. Low energy is a major trigger for takeout, so having a few quick, satisfying meals on hand is key. My go-to is rice with some kind of protein plus kimchi or sauerkraut. Another easy option is a bean and cheese burrito with your favorite hot sauce to make it feel a little more indulgent. These meals are simple, filling, and don't require a recipe. It also helps to have recipes that can be made easily with pantry ingredients. The key is having a mental list of dishes you can make quickly and easily even when you're tired. Even if it's slightly more convenient to go through a drive-thru, making it at home saves you tons of money and can still feel indulgent. Habit number 5, keep a few frozen meals as a backup. For days when I really don't want to cook, I keep a few frozen meals in the freezer. They give me the same convenience as takeout, but they're cheaper and already at home. Having this backup has also stopped me from doing a lot of last-minute takeout orders. After cooking at home consistently for almost 4 months, this has now become my default. I simply can no longer justify spending $25 to $30 on takeout when I know I can make the same dishes at home for a fraction of the cost. Cooking at home is healthier and just as indulgent, and I actually really enjoy it. When I do go out to eat now, it feels like a real treat and an experience, not just something I'm doing out of convenience or habit. I hope you found this video helpful, and please leave a comment down below if you think you might try any of these tips out. If you're new to my channel, I make a lot of content about how I'm up-leveling my life through small changes, and you can too. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Before we wrap up, a friendly reminder that my 2026 giant wall calendar is live on my Etsy shop. It is a year-at-a-glance calendar perfect for planning, tracking habits, or just seeing your whole year in one place. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.